Let me add another file here, PY12 file. Let's talk about exceptions. They're pretty similar to other languages, but easier. Let's try to print something which is not quite printable, like different data types. String, plus some value. Okay, obviously they're different data types. It should be an error. Then, except keyword. Exception, there could be two types. You declare some kind of error or already known ones. For example, input, output, error here. You can print input, output, error, or something else. For example, now another type of except. You simply print some kind of your own error. And finally, which is gonna be printing anyway, we already know about it. Something like that. I save it. And I'm gonna run it. Here it is, final section, displayed anyway. There is no input output, so we choose next exception happened here, because here, when we tried it in actual code, an error happened. That's it, see you in the next lectures.